Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heads-up display, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, retained accessory power, overhead console, real-time traffic, cargo area light, rear floor mats. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. Your new ride is just a phone call away.